Hello, Namaste. Hello, Helen. Hi, everyone. Hello, Saran. If you are hear me properly, say hi to me or say hello to me so I know you hear me. If my voice is clear, Namaste, Annie. Namaste. Namaste. Namaste, Justin. Hello, Justin. Okay, so today we have the Hatabi, and we know the class have the 45 minutes. So Hatabi, the basic class, those you are practicing today. So I'm going to off the comments so you can see me properly. Alright, so I will not take you long time. Just I'm going to start your class. So if you're ready, you can bring your towel, your mat, spread the mat towel. If you have water bottle or towel, you can take extra. Okay, so I'm going to start you. Namaste. Once again to all. Hatabi class, welcome to all. We start the session with a few of the strong breathing practice. We'll go the 2 round of the Vastrika practice, and after that we'll go the stretching, twisting, back pain. We'll practice today in the Hatabi. So let's just start the session. Sit in the any comfortable posture, either you cross leg or if you comfortable you can sit on the heel. Bring your palms on the knee. Relax your shoulder and gently close your eyes. With your closed eyes, just aware your own physical body. Once you aware your own physical body, watch the flow of your breath. Watch your breath, deep inhalation and long exhalation. As you inhale, can you expand your ribs and can you expand your chest? Exhale, relax your chest and relax your ribs. Breathe in deeper, expand your ribs and expand your chest. Exhale, relax your chest and relax your ribs. Breathe in, let them expand your ribs, let them expand your chest. Breathe out, relax your chest and relax your ribs. Last 3 more breaths together. Inhale deeper. Exhale longer. 2 more rounds. Inhale deeper. Exhale longer. Last 1 more breathing. Inhale deeper. Exhale longer. Just relax. Join your palms together, center of the heart. We'll begin the session with 3 rounds of the Om chanting. We know the Om is the universal sound. The sound helps you to give the positive energy and create the positive vibe within yourself and surround you. So we'll chant together all. Inhale. Welcome to all, Hatabi. We'll start the Vastrika practice. So when you start the Vastrika, You inhale forcefully and exhale forcefully. So when you give the movement with your hand, when you inhale, raise your arms up, spread your finger, thumb inside, make a fist, and exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 10 more. Inhale, exhale. 9 more. Inhale, exhale. 8 more. Inhale, exhale. Continue. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Arms on the knee. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Breath in. Breathe out. One more round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Palms on the knee. Inhale, exhale. One more round. Breathe in. Hold your breath, head down. Bring your chin to chest. Lock your throat like Jalandhar Bandha to engage your throat gland. Hold air for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chin up. Exhale. And relax. Catch your shoulder, elbow together. Just rotate your shoulder first to release your tension in your shoulder joints. 3, 2, 1. Change your side. Anti-clock. Elbow together. Rotate in anti-clock. Continue. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Shake your hands, shake your shoulder. Interlace your 10 finger. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Elbow straight, palm facing up. Just lengthening your spine, but try not to lift your shoulder to engage your neck muscles and your cervical. Try to drop your shoulder blade and stay there. Breathe. Can you stretch side to side to keep lengthening your spine? Make your spine longer. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, allow your head to drop back. Look up and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Reaching your arms higher. Keep lengthening your spine. Inhale and exhale. 10, 9, stretch and breathe. 8, 7, stretch and breathe. 6 more, chin up. 5, keep stretching your arms. Last 4 breathing. Can you try to push your chest forward? Create the gentle arch. 4, last 3, 2, and 1. Look front. Release your hand. Exhale and relax. Go the gentle twisting. Bring your right palms on your left knee, left palms behind back. Twist your left side. Breathe. Push your shoulder back. Each inhalation a stretch and each exhalation twist and breathe to release your tension on the lower back and give the nice stretch and twist to your spine. That is called your recalling. Inhale and exhale. 5, 4, push your left shoulder more back. Last 3, twist your neck. Bring your chin top of your left shoulder and try to look behind. 3 more breath. Last 2 and 1. Inhale, look front and relax. Change side. Left palms on the right knee, right palms behind. Exhale, twist your right side. Push your right shoulder back and breathe. Each inhalation, stretch your spine. Each exhalation, twist. Chin top of your right shoulder and breathe. Inhale and exhale for 5. Stretch and twist. 4, last 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Bring your both hands behind. Interlock. Inhale, stretch your arms. Just a stretching. And exhale, push your chest up and breathe. Look up. 5 breathing. Inhale and exhale. 4. Stretch Stretch and breathe. Last 3, 2. Take a deep inhale. Gently round your spine. Exhale, bend forward, head down. And breathe. Stretch your shoulder. Keep on stretching. Create the hunch your spine. Create the hunch your lumbar to push your hip to the mat. And now stretch your shoulder and head down. Inhale and exhale for 5. Stretch more. 4. Last 3, 2. And head up. Inhale. Release your hand. Exhale. And relax. We'll go the one round of the side lateral stretching. So what do you do here? Bring your right palms on your left knee. Makes your elbow straight. Inhale, left hand up, straight. Can you stretch your side of your waist to lengthening your side of your spine? Inhale. Keep lengthening. Keep your elbow straight and exhale. Bring your upper torso to your right side and breathe here. Stay. Bring your right shoulder closer to the right knee. But try not to drop your shoulder on the knee. Just hold here. Your shoulder away from your knee and breathe. Feel the nice straight side, your lats muscles and your oblique muscles. Inhale and exhale. Can you continue breathing from the lower back? Inhale and exhale. Make your left hip connecting on the mat. Last 6 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. Can you lift your chest up? Create the gentle arc and roll your left shoulder back. Look up. Last 5 breaths. Inhale and exhale. 4. 3 more breathing. Last 2. Last 1 more breath. Inhale. Look front. Gently come up and exhale. Relax. Now we'll change the side to the left side. So we are stretching this side to the right here. So bring your left palms on your right knee. Hold. Make your left elbow straight. Inhale. Stretch your right hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Go down to the left and breathe. Bring your left shoulder closer to the knee, but your shoulder not touching on the knee. Stretch here. Breathe. So this time you are stretching your right side of your waist and your oblique muscles. Inhale and exhale. Keep engage your right arm straight. Just imagine someone pulling your hand and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Keep grounded your right hip. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Lengthening your spine. Inhale and exhale. Push your chest forward. Roll your right shoulder back. Look up. Last 6 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. 5. Last 4 more breaths. 3 more breathing. Last 2 more breaths. 1 more breathing. Look front. Inhale. Come up and relax. Release your both legs. Just sit here and breathe. Stretch your ankle, flex and point it to release your ankle joints. Breathe here. Legs apart, both heels edge of the mat. Inhale, raise your arms up straight. Bend forward. Catch your top of your toe and head down. Exhale. Inhale, raise your arms up straight. Exhale, twist your right side. Drop your palms behind, lengthening your spine. Exhale. 5. Stretch and breathe. 4. Left hip grounded. Last 3, 2, and 1. Push your right palms. Come up. Stretch your spine. Bend forward. Exhale. Catch your outer edge of the heel. Head down. Inhale. Raise your arms up. Straight. Exhale. Twist your left side. Breathe. Drop your both palms behind. Lengthening your spine. Grounded your right hip and stay here for 5. Inhale and exhale. Last 4, 3, 2. Inhale. Push your left palms. Come up. Bend forward. Exhale. Head down. Inhale. Stretch your spine up and exhale and relax. Cross your ankle. Come to cat and cow. This round we are going to the spinal stretching. Tuck your toe, heels up. If you have any kinds of the knee issue, you can give the support under your knee. Make your wrist and your shoulder in a line. Spread your finger. Inner elbow facing each other. Inhale, arch your spine. Look up. Breathe. Shoulder away from the ear. Chin and chest. Look up. Exhale. Round your spine. Elbow straight. Belly draw in. Head down. Look your elbow. Inhale up, chin up. Exhale, round your spine, look your navel. Inhale out. Exhale, round your back. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale, look up. Bring your right hand forward. Stretch your right hand. Bring your left hand inside. Drop your left shoulder. Knee grounded. And push your toe. Lift your right hand up. Twist. Push your shoulder and lift your chin up. Stay there. Push your right shoulder back. Open your chest to the ceiling and try to turn your head. Look behind for 5. Inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your right palms. Inhale. Push your palms. Come to cat pose. Exhale. Round your back. Look your navel. Inhale or chin up. Change side. Stretch your left hand forward and bring your right hand inside. Drop your right shoulder and lift your left hand up. Twist. Chin and chest up. Push your shoulder back. Look up or look behind. Open your chest and breathe for 5. Last 4, 3, 2. Inhale. Drop your left palm. Push your palms. Come up. Exhale. Round your back. Look your navel. Inhale out, chin up, and to the top. Hip on the heel, head down, and stretch and forward. Inhale, come up, lie down on the chest. Breathe. We'll practice here locust pose. So it's also good for those who have any kinds of the lower back tension or any kinds of stiffness or pain, your lower back. This is one of the best practice to help you to release your tension and release your pain on the lower back. So first we'll go the half locust one by one, and then we'll go the together. So leg together, bring your both hands side. Bring your right palms under your right thigh, palm facing on the ground, left palms under your left thigh, leg together. Inhale, lift your right leg up and hold for 5. Stretch higher, pelvis on the floor. 4. Stretch higher as you can. Breathe. 3 more breaths. 2, and exhale down. Chin side. Inhale, left leg up and breathe. Pelvis on the floor. Stretching your legs higher for 5. Inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. Now together leg. Inhale, both legs up and breathe. Stay for 5, 4, stretch and breathe. Last 3, 2, and exhale down. Breathe. Breathe. Both hands behind, interlock. Take a deep inhale. Bring your forehead to the mat and stretch your hands up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2. Take a deep inhale. Lift your head up. Stretch. Look up. 5. Hands go higher. Chin and chest up. Breathe. Press your legs to the mat. Look up. 5. Inhale and exhale. 4. Stretch higher. Last 3. Chin up. 2. And exhale. Come back. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring your palms on your shoulder. Inhale, push your palms, chin up. Go to gentle spine stretching. Make sure pelvis on the floor, shoulder not go up. Shoulder roll down. Chin and chest up, look up. Exhale down. One more round. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathe. Bring your both hands forward. Bend your right knee. Bring your right hand behind. Catch your right ankle. Take a deep inhale, stretch, and lift your left hand up. Hold it. Legs go higher. 5. Stretch and breathe. 4. Stretch your spine. Last 3. Kick your legs up to knee and thigh go higher. 3, 2, and exhale down. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath. One more breath in. Last one more breath. Change side. Right hand forward and bend your left leg. Bring your left hand behind, catch your ankle. Take a deep inhale, kick your left leg up. And straight, look up. Go higher for 5. Stretch and breathe. 4. 3. Go up. 2. And exhale. Just relax. And forward. Inhale, push your palms. Come to chart. Keep on the heel and just relax here. Breathe. 3 breaths. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Go to downward dog. Keep up. Breathe. Grounded your heels, knees straight. Can you push your thigh bone back to lifting your sitting bones higher? Push your palms, shoulder away from the ear, lengthening your spine. Can you do here 3 rounds of the belly breathing? Inhale to expand your abdomen and exhale to relax. 2 more rounds. Inhale to expand your abdomen and exhale to relax. 1 more round. Inhale. Exhale. Leg together. Lift your right leg back and up. Flex your toe and flex your ankle. Knees straight. Breathe. Grounded your left heels. Push your left thigh bone. As warrior hip, roll your right hip on the right side to keep lengthening your spine. Drop your head down and look your navel for 5. 4. 3. 2. Inhale. Bring your right leg forward between your palms. Drop the left knee. Relax your toe pointing back. Hold here. Bring your palms on the knee and stay there. Can you roll your left hip and push your left hip down and stay? Breathe. Lift your lower belly to lengthening your spine. Inhale, raise your arms up, stretch. Roll your shoulder arch, drop the head back. Chin up. Inhale and exhale, stretch and arch, go deep as you can for 5. Inhale and exhale, 4. Stretch and arch, last 3 more breaths. Keep arching back, last 2 more breathing. 1 more breath. Inhale, look front. Drop your palms, right knee straight, toe up, and exhale, head down. Give the nice stretch your lower back. As you relax, you can feel the stretch your hamstring. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, look up. Bend your right knee, look up. Lift your left arms up. Stretch your spine, go the twisting to the right. Bring your left arms on your right thigh, palms together. Push your right palms on the left palm to lift your chest up. Exhale, bring your thumb center of the heart, chin up. Breathe. Those who can, go to the binding. You can bind. If cannot, just stay here. Stretch and breathe. If you can, tuck your toe, left knee off the mat. If cannot, let the knee on the ground for 5. Stretch and breathe. Inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up. Drop your palms. Exhale, down the dog. Breathe in and breathe out. Left leg back and up. Flex your toe. Lock your kneecap. Belly join, squat your hip. And stay here. Inhale and exhale. 5. Stretch your spine. 4. Continue breathing. Last 3, 2. Inhale. Bring your left leg forward between your palms. Drop the right knee. Toe pointing back. Inhale, come up. Roll your right hip forward to push your right hip down. Breathe. Maintain your front ankle in line. Stay. Lift your lower belly to lengthening your spine. Inhale. Raise your arms up. Stretch your spine. Roll your shoulder arch. Hip down. Chin up. Exhale. Breathe. 6 breathing. Stretch and arch. Last 5 breath. Inhale and exhale. 4. 3 more breaths. Stretch and arch. Last 2 more breathing. Straight and arch, go deep as well as you can. Last 2 more. 1 more breathing. Take a deep inhale. Look front. Drop your palms on the mat. Left knee straight. and bend forward, exhale. So now this is the counter stretch your lower back. You can feel the nice stretch as well as you can feel your hamstring. If you need block, if you have the tightness, you can take the block here. Stay here, go down for 5 breaths. Inhale and exhale. 4. Last 3 more breaths. 2 and 1. Inhale, look front, bend your left knee, lift your right arms up. Bring your right arms on the left thigh. Bring your left palm on your right palm. Push your palm to lift your chest up. Thumb center of the heart, chin up. Breathe in and breathe out for 5. Stretch and twist. 4. Stretch and twist. Last 3. Those you want to bind, go to the bind. If you cannot stand, namaste. Last 2 more breathing. 1 more breath. Inhale, look front. Drop your palms on the mat. Downward dog. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale. Come to plank pose. Wrist your shoulder in line. Look front. Can you bring your left palm center of the mat and turn your right side. Bring your right leg forward. Right heel up. Left wrist your shoulder in line and lift your right hands up. Look up. Side plank. Those who have wrist pain, you can drop the elbow and look up. 5. Stretch and breathe. Those who have not, just stay there. Last 4. 3. 2. Hip go higher. And 1. Inhale, come up, come to plank. Hold. Bring your right palm center of the mat. Turn your body to the left. Bring your left leg forward, left heels up. Wrist your shoulder line, lift your left arms up. If you have wrist pain, drop the elbow. 5. Hip go higher. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Drop your palms. Inhale, come to plank. Exhale, drop the knee, chest and chin, Ashtanga. Inhale, cobra, stretch. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe in and breathe out. Lift your right leg back and up. Bring your right leg forward between your palms. Drop the left heels. Stay here. We are going to practice the warrior 2. So hip down. Tuck your left toe in. Tuck your tailbone in. Belly in. Push your knee down. Breathe. Inhale. Stretch your arms. Chin top of your right shoulder. Look your middle finger. Breathe. 5. Hip down. Tuck in. Stay and breathe. 4. Chest up. Belly in. Last 3 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. Last 2 more breathing. Last 1 more breathing. Take a deep inhale. Bring your right elbow on the right thigh. Stretch your left hand up. Exhale. 5. Stretch and breathe. 4. You can take your right hand in Chin Mudra to transform your energy. Last 3, 2, and 1. Drop your palms to the downward dog. Exhale. Left leg back and up. Inhale, straight. Bring your left leg forward. Drop the right hip down. Breathe. Tuck your tailbone. Belly in. Chest up and stretch your arms. Look your left middle finger and breathe. Keep engage your leg. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. 6 more breathing. 5. Last 4. 3 more. 2 and 1. Bring your left elbow on the left thigh and stretch your right hand up. Hold. 5. 4. Breathe in, breathe out. Draw your belly, chest up. 3, 2 and 1. Drop your palms. Inhale. Exhale. Downward dog. Come to plank pose. Inhale. Ashtanga. Knee, chest and chin. Exhale. Cobra. Inhale. Look up. Downward dog. Exhale. Breathe. 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 Walk your leg forward between your palms. Legs together. Catch your back of your ankle. Bend forward. Exhale. Head down. Take a deep inhale. Bend your knee. Look front. Raise your arms up. Utkatasana. Stay for 5. Inhale and exhale. 4. 3 more breath. Last two more breathing. Last one more breath. Inhale, come up and relax. We go the practice of the balancing. So what to do? Legs straight and together. Go the tree pose, Vrichasana. So lift your right leg under your left thigh. Hold. Palms together. Inhale, raise your arms up and stay. 5. Belly drawing, shoulder relax, core active. Grounded your foot. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, exhale. Release your right chin. Bring your left foot on your right inner thigh. Hold. Belly in, core active. Inhale, raise your arms up, palms together. Stay. Core active, energy grounded. Breathe in and breathe out for 5. Just stay and breathe. Last 4. 3 more breath. 2 and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale and relax. Just sit down on the mat. You practice here the back bend. Just lie down here. Both the breathe pose. So bring your palms side up to back. Inhale. Push your palms to hip up. Stretch your lower back. Interlock your 10 finger under your back. Go higher. Inhale and exhale. Give the nice stretch on your lower back. 5 breathing. Go higher. 4, 3, 2, and exhale. Come back. Hug your leg and relax. We'll go the one more round. Second round. Inhale, hip up. Go to the breathe and stay there. Go to this time, go to one to deeper like wheel pose. Bring your palms under the shoulder. Push your palms to go higher. Like wheel pose and push your chest. And walk your leg to go higher. Mix your elbows straight and chest go higher. Stretch and breathe for 10. 9. Stretch and breathe. 8. 7. Stretch and breathe. 6 more. Last 5. 4. 3. 2 and 1. Inhale, come up and exhale, hug your leg. Roll left and right. Roll left and right. Head up, roll forward and sit on the mat. Stretch your both legs forward. We go the Paschimottanasana, sitting forward. Leg together, spine straight. Inhale, raise your arms up. Bend forward, catch your foot. Exhale, head down. Breathe. Just lengthening your spine. Inhale and exhale. 6 more breaths. Stretch and breathe. Try to bring the forehead on the knee. Last 5 breaths. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, look up and exhale. Toe pointing, belly in, lift your chest up. Inhale, lean back, lift your legs up. You can flex or you can point it. Stretch your arms up like Navasana, boat pose. 5. Chest up, shoulder relax. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Butterfly, feet together. Just swing your 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bend forward. Bring the elbow on the thigh and push your thigh to the mat. Stretch your lower back. Breathe in and breathe out. Stretch your spine. Breathe in and breathe out. Try to bring the forehead closer to the mat. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come and exhale. Knee together. Hug your leg. Now, next round we'll go the inversion series. So we'll go the Halasana and Sarvangasana. So the Halasana those who are any kinds of the severe injury of the neck, you can skip, but if you know your practice, you can try. And those who are also suffer from the menstruation, your period, you can skip the universal series. Right. So this is helpful for you to the increase your blood circulation for your lungs and your brain function, and it's give you the supply your purify your blood circulation in the upper body. Right. So what you do here? First, lie down on the mat and lift your both legs up. Here, push your palms and drop the legs above the head. So this is called the halasana, plow pose. If you comfortable, palms on the lower back, or if you comfortable, palms on the back. So which one is easier for you? If you comfortable here, is fine, stay there. Breathe. Fine. Remember your chin off the chest to lengthening your spine. 4, 3, 2. Bring your palms on the lower back. Go the shoulder stand. Push the elbow to lift your both legs up. Stay here. Lengthening your spine. Belly in. Squeeze your buttock. And stretch here. 9, 8, 7, 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bend your knee, palms on the mat without lifting the head. Slowly go down to upper back, go down to the middle back, go down to the lower back, and then use the core to drop the leg down. Exhale and relax. Now go the counter stretch, Matsasana. So bring your both palms side of your waist. Push the elbow, lift your head, shoulder, chin, arch and drop the head. Breathe. Chest go higher. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come out. Exhale and relax. Bend your right knee, interlock, hold your knee on the chest. Inhale. Head up. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, head down. Twist. Drop the right knee to the left side. Left palms on the knee. Push your knee down. And turn your head right and stretch your right hand. To give the nice stretch your lower back and release your tension on the lower spinal muscles. Breathe in and breathe out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Change your side. Bend your left, interlock, hold your left knee. Inhale, head up. Exhale, forehead on the knee. And breathe to engage your core. It's good for you, those who have the constipation or those who have the gastric. This is called the Pavan Muktasana. It's good for you to release your gastric and release your constipation from your abdomen. And it's give you benefit to the massage your pancreas and your intestine. Stay for 3, 2 and 1. Head down. Twist. Use your right hand to push your left knee down. And exhale. Turn your head to the left and stretch it. Breathe. Twisting is helpful for those who have the diabetes patient to give you the massage the pancreas and release your tension for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come up and exhale. Hug your leg. Roll left and right. Go the happy baby pose. Catch the outer leg and stretch it. Breathe. Just rock side to side. Just rock side to side. And relax. Hug your leg. Head up. Forehead on the knee. And come. Sit up straight. Palms on the knee. Breathe. We'll go the alternate nostril breathing. So palms on the knee. Bring your right first two finger here, and with your thumb close your right nostril and breathing from the left. Inhale through left. Close your left. Open your right. Exhale through right. Inhale right. Close your right. Exhale through left. Inhale left. Close your left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close your right. Exhale left. One more. Inhale left. Close your left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close your right. Exhale left. And left. Now lie down on the back in the Savasana. So we go here relaxation practice. So legs apart, hands apart, palm facing up, and close your eyes. With your closed eyes, just aware your own physical body and just relax here. Feel the lightness. Feel the relaxation. Savasana gives you all benefit what you done in your last 1 hour of your practice. It's a help you to restore your energy, your prana, your chi. Feel the relax. Feel the balance your mind, balance your energy. Just watch your navel in and watch your navel out to let the relax. This is a time for you to know your physical body better. Just relax. With your full awareness, take a deep inhale. Long exhale. Breathe in deeper. Breathe out longer. With your next breath, gently move your toe, move your finger, move your head left and right. Gently join your legs together. Bring your hands above your head. Interlace your 10 fingers and stretch your full body. And relax. Bend your knee and gently roll to the right side. With support of your palms, please come up and sit on the mat. Bring your palms in your heart center in the prayer pose. Take a deep inhale. Long exhale. Feel the relax, feel the lightness. Feel the thankfulness out. Feel gratefulness out. Gently open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you. Have a nice evening to all. Thank you so much to make the effort to joining the class. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening to all and have a good rest to all. See you tomorrow 9:30. Have the core class. You can Join me 9:30 tomorrow in the core and a strength class. Thank you so much.